Hi everyone! Want to know exactly how much toner and drum life is left in your Brother DCP-L3551CDW printer? In this super quick guide, I'll show you how to print the user page that displays the precise percentage for all cartridges and the drum unit. First, press the menu button on your printer. Use the arrow keys to go to Print Reports and press OK. Then select User Settings and press OK again. Finally, press the black Start button to print the report. Now look at the printed page. It clearly shows the remaining percentage for black, cyan, magenta, and yellow toner cartridges, plus the exact drum unit life. This easy trick helps you know exactly when to replace supplies before they run out. Simple, right? If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more printer tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.